How to fix Apex Legends DXGI_error device_hung error. 1. Disable spot shadow. 2. Download and install all available Windows updates. 3. Run system file checker as admin. 4. Perform a clean boot. 5. Clear origin cache at %program data %. Note, keep the local content folder. Delete the origin folder at %app data %. Now, go back to app data folder, and delete origin. Restart your system. 6. Run Apex Legends with administrative privileges. 7. Revert your graphics card to its factory settings. 8. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 9. Repair missing or corrupted files in Origin. 10. Update the graphics card drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, roll back the graphics driver. 11. Merge a rake file into your system. Code, hkey_local_machine \system \current control set /control \graphics drivers TDR delay equals hex, B08,00,00,00,00,00,00,00,00,12. Contact Apex's. Team and submit a support ticket. 13. Set processor to Nvidia GPU in Nvidia control panel. Path, Nvidia control panel 3D settings configure surround, physical X settings. 14. Update the ActX.